Whether it's for your business or for yourself, social media is how we connect with our networks, but posting with quality and consistency is hard. Just kidding, because you have AI. I'm Zach, here to show you how you can use AI to improve your social media presence. Before we jump in, make sure you have Grammarly downloaded for AI writing assistance directly where you write, and subscribe to this channel for more AI tips. Okay, let's jump in. Step 1, brainstorm post ideas. Sometimes the hardest part about posting to social media is figuring out exactly what you want to talk about. But have no fear, because AI can ideate on topics with you. We're in LinkedIn here, which apparently is the hot new place to be an influencer, but feel free to apply this advice to your social media app of choice. Unsurprisingly, I'm very into AI. I'll click the Grammarly Go light bulb, and immediately I see this suggested prompt, generate ideas for a post. I'll type in generative AI, and in a few seconds, I have 5 different post ideas I can use now or in the future. Step 2, draft your post. Once we pick an idea we like, we can use a prompt to draft a post about it. Let's say, write a LinkedIn post about AI making communication faster. And we've got our draft in no time. Step 3, enhance your tone and style. With Grammarly Go, we can choose the tone and style that match our brand. Highlight your text and click on the light bulb icon. Type in sound friendly or sound engaging, whatever you want. And AI helps us get to the tone we want. Step 4, add hashtags and emojis. To get more eyeballs on our post, first let's include some great hashtags. Adding hashtags is as simple as selecting our post, clicking Grammarly Go, and prompting, yes, you guessed it, add hashtags. Same idea on a platform that's a little more emoji friendly like Instagram. We can prompt something like this. Think about how easy it'll be to create consistent high quality posts, especially if social media is part of your job. In summary, if you're not using AI for social media, how do you have time to spare? Download Grammarly Go right now at Grammarly.com to get that AI writing assistance on your social media, docs, emails, you name it. Thanks for watching. Now go write.